Here's what would happen if you grew at 1 centimeter every second. Well, after just 1 minute, you'd already be 60 centimeters taller. In 1 hour, you've added 36 meters. You're now taller than a 10-story building, but your weight is crushing the ground beneath you, and every step leaves cracks in the street. And because of something called the square cube law, your weight grows way faster than your strength. Yeah, at just a few times your normal size, your bones would snap, your organs would overheat, and your body would collapse under itself. But let's ignore that. This is what if. Let's keep you growing as big as possible. Now, within a few hours, you've become a full kaiju. You're the size of the Statue of Liberty. Cars are like ants to you. One wrong step wipes out an entire city block. People are running for their lives. Helicopters are circling, and the military is watching you like a walking disaster. 9 hours into this ordeal, and you're as tall as the Eiffel Tower. Your legs alone are longer than football fields, and you could run across an entire country in a few hours. By the end of that first day, you'd be taller than the Burj Khalifa. In just 10 days, you'd reach the height of Mount Everest. Your head is now above the clouds. The air is thin, and every breath feels like suffocation through a straw. But you're still growing. After 116 days, your head crosses into space. One part of your body is still on Earth, while the rest is exposed to freezing vacuum, radiation, and darkness. Now, fast forward 11 years, and you're over 3,400 kilometers tall. You're as wide as the moon. After 40 years, you'd become Earth-sized. At this point, you're no longer human. And at that size, your own gravity would reshape you and start pulling everything around you. Satellites orbit you. Earth itself barely survives being near you. And you don't stop there. Over centuries, you grow larger than Jupiter, then larger than the sun. Your gravity begins warping the entire solar system, turning it into something completely unrecognizable. After thousands of years, you stretch across the solar system. Planets become tiny objects drifting around you. After trillions to quadrillions of years, you reach an interstellar scale, then galactic scale. You're no longer just big, you are the galaxy. And if you somehow kept growing long enough, you'd eventually span 93 billion light years, the size of the observable universe. At that point, you wouldn't just exist in the universe, you'd define it, because